Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to use Control Center in macOS Big Sur. Let's have a look. This is macOS Big Sur and version 11.0.1. To open Control Center in Big Sur, click on top right beside Siri. Here you can see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, Do Not Disturb, keyboard brightness, screen mirroring, and slider for display and sound. Also music option. From control center you can click on a widget to get deeper controls. Like if you click on don't disturb, here you can see for 1 hour, until tomorrow, or always on. Again click control center icon to get back main menu. Check one by one deeper controls. Using new control center, you can easily drag and drop any widget to the menu bar at the top of your Mac. Simply drag and drop on menu bar. From system preferences, you can customize control center. Click Apple logo on top left, then go to system preferences. Then click dock and menu bar. From control center section, click Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can remove Bluetooth icon from menu bar. Just uncheck show in menu bar. So right now these are the steps to use Control Center in macOS Big Sur. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.